Good morning. Today our lesson is also about sequence 2.3, but we have to work out the missing terms in a linear sequence. If you want to find the fifth term in the sequence, you have already three terms, 7, 10, 13. It is very easy to get the fifth one because you are adding by 3. So when you count it 7, 10, 13, the fourth one is 16, and then you will get 19. This one was easy. Now let's go to a higher level. Do something harder. Is it easy to find the 50th term in this sequence? 7, 10, 13, 16. Or let's count. Do you want to count 16, 19, 21, 24, 27? It's very hard to do it to reach the 50th term. So definitely there is a rule. So let's learn this rule. Now let's do something harder. How to find the 50th term in this sequence. To do it, you have to understand the rule because we are not going to count. So what do we mean by 50th term? You have to understand its meaning. Its meaning that you are adding 49 times on the first term 7. So to do that, you have to arrange the numbers in your rule. First term, you put it first, it's 7, plus the term-to-term rule, which is plus a 3. So you'll get 7 plus a 3 into, you don't say 50th term, you say 50 minus 1 because you are adding 49 terms to the first term. So times 50 minus 1, which is 49. So 7 plus a 3 times 49. You will do the multiplication first. 7 plus 147 to get 154. Now let's use the same rule to find the 20th term. First, we have to know the first term in this sequence, which is 7. Then you have to check the term-to-term rule. What is the term-to-term rule here in 7, 10, 13, 16? Yeah, exactly. It's adding 3. Then you have to know that instead of saying 25th term, you are going to subtract it by 1. So 25 minus 1. If he told you 10th term, you will say 10 minus 1, it's 9. If he asked you about the 100th term, you will say 100 minus 1, it's 99. So always you subtract it by 1. So here, instead of saying 25, you are going to put 24, and then you will arrange them according to the rule. So you will put the first term first, 7, and then you will put the term-to-term rule. So 7 plus a 3 multiplied by 24. According to the order of operation, how to solve this one? Multiplication is the strongest one, so you will say 7 plus the answer of 3 times 24 times 24 is 72, so 7 plus 72 is 79. Now let's try to work with negative numbers in a sequence. Same method. First you will look at the numbers. You will find the first term, which is -2. Then you have to find the rule. What is the rule here? -2, -4, -6. So the numbers are decreasing. We are subtracting by 2, so -2. Now when he asks you about the 10th term, it means you have to subtract 1 because you are adding 9 times on the first term. So 10 minus 1, 50th term, 50 minus 1, 100th term, 100 minus 1. So then you organize them. First term is -2 minus 2 multiplied by 9 to get -2 minus 18 is -20. Why -20 and not 16 or -16? Because when the numbers or integers have the same sign, you add and then you put the sign. Now let's do 50th term together. As we said, we don't do it as 50. We say that 50 minus 1 is 49. So -2 minus 2 times 49. It's gonna be -2 minus 98, so it's -100. Now to the 100th term, instead of saying 100th term, you are going to say 99. So -2 minus 2 times 99 is -200. Don't forget to start with multiplication first. That's your homework for today, and thank you for listening. Good luck.